In this video, we will cover the process of clearing a blockage from your extruder. On screen is a list of things that you will need to do this. Cut a piece of filament at a 45-degree angle and preheat the extruder to around 220 degrees Celsius in the maintenance console. Use the extruder controls in the maintenance console to slowly pull filament through until it jams. Mark the filament where it enters the extruder and retract it. Hold the filament mark in line with the extruder to see where the filament tip extends to. This is where the blockage will be. If the section of filament is short, disassemble the extruder and remove the blockage manually. For deeper blockages, try extruding material while the nozzle is still hot to force the blockage out. You may also try turning the printer off while in the home position and hot and manually push filament through. Extrude the filament to where the blockage is and try and draw out the blockage. Cut off the tip and repeat. If you have any trouble, please submit a support request. Thank you for watching.